stepped down as the president of the Association of Malayalam Movie Artists, the AMMA, earlier today. Apart from him, the entire governing body had resigned, and report says that it's because of the growing dissent within the organization in the wake of sexual assault allegations that have come to fore against certain members of the governing body. In fact, ever since Sunday, we've seen a couple of members resigning. It started with Siddiqui resigning on Sunday and a series of others resigned. 17 members of the AMMA have decided to step down, and they've also cited moral responsibility. They've taken moral responsibility considering the developments that have panned out over the last 2 days. So the 17 member body has finally submitted resignations, and this comes in the wake of several actors from the Malayalam industry pointing fingers at certain members of the governing body and had alleged that they've sexually assaulted some of the actors. So because of that, because of the kind of criticism and the backlash that Mohanlal along with others from the AMMA had faced over the last 2 days, Mohanlal and the 17 members decided to step down. In fact, Mohanlal so far has not reacted on the ongoing controversy. As per the statement that has been released, they say that an election will take place within the next 2 months and the new governing body will be formed within the next 2 months. And they've also promised that once the elections are over, once the new members of the Association of the Malayalam Movies Artists will be formed, they will strengthen the AMMA. That's the statement that was issued earlier today. However, allegations of sexual assault in the Malayalam industry has created ripples across the country. In fact, many actors from the Malayalam industry have come forward and have pointed fingers at some of the members who were part of the governing body, and some of them have stepped down. Earlier today, Mohanlal also said that he is stepping down from the post of the president of AMMA, and an election will be organized and a new governing body will be formed within the next 2 months.